Hey everyone, I'm the designer of this product, that is Access Horizon. I'm Access Horizon, the designer at Soundaware. This time I want to focus on explaining why Soundaware's AAMC products, especially the X86 platform ones. For the X86 platform, Windows platform AAMC products, we strongly recommend Roon software. The key point is, imagine all our AAMC products, whether it's the Donex AM3 or D2, or that Donex, or including the MR2, always remember the number one software we recommend is Roon. Roon has Roon server, and there's Roon remote. That's the client control software. And there's Roon player. Roon player, it's three components integrated together, right? So it has three software components, three pieces of software. But I tell you why Soundaware recommends Roon software first for all AAMC products. The x86 and Windows platform, Soundaware's. Windows isn't ordinary. Windows, it's audio, specifically optimized Windows. Why specifically recommend Roon? Why do some folks say Roon is expensive and so on? Let me first give a reason. Let's not talk about cost. Let's talk about a reason first. First, because in speaking from a global perspective, first point, we know that on Windows, including x86, there are many more software options that sound better than Roon. Like JPlay or JRiver or other memory playback software. Far more that sound better than it. Absolutely many that sound better than Roon. But I tell you, the user experience can't compare to Roon. Water is Roon among all systems. It's a universal software among commercially available software. Its sound is definitely not the best, but it's also not the worst. It's definitely in that middle tier. But it'll tell you everyone don't get too obsessed, too focused on just one aspect. You need to understand the issue. Think about the problem. Why was SACD phased out? Because it wasn't mainstream. Remember, not mainstream. Why didn't JPlay become mainstream? Why didn't Bughead become mainstream? Difficult to use. Just this one sentence alone disqualifies it. Really difficult to use. Just as cumbersome as CD, because with CD, you look at the previous track, next track. Fast forward and it's gone. Playing disc by disc. How good is Roon's experience? Album covers fully displayed, categorized perfectly, or automatically sorted for you. Just click. Add playlists, add whatever. One-click favorites, one-stop service. Super simple. Grab an iPad control directly. Very simple. Therefore, the offline playback experience it delivers is, I believe, currently unmatched globally by any other software. That's the truth. But as a Chinese audiophile, I want to especially emphasize, everyone knows the first time you log into Roon, you need a VPN access, right? But honestly, Roon hasn't fixed this issue. Let's be real. As Roon's partners, don't make me speak from Roon's perspective. As Roon's partners, Soundaware ensures all our products support Roon. And we've passed all the Roon-ready certifications, so we're not speaking from Roon's standpoint. Because for Chinese users who paid money, always having login issues, poor login experience. Honestly, we've reported it many times, but they can't solve it, or they're unwilling to solve it. But in China, since they won't fix it, I think there are many ways for everyone to solve this problem. One is to use a VPN, or you can use an older special version. Then you don't need to log in, and you don't need to pay. No problem. Using offline functions has absolutely no issues. So this is why I recommend it. There are versions you don't need to pay for. You just can't use online features, right? And you don't have login problems. For those who bought an account, just log in the first time. After that, no need to log in again. So I think it's quite good. So This issue is precisely why I recommend it, because it has an unparalleled user experience. Although there are some minor issues, they are really not major problems. We use it extensively at shows, and unparalleled user experience. The sound is also acceptable, quite acceptable. Moreover, all Soundaware products use it. DungX can also use DungX. You say, hey, DungX, its resources are a bit weaker. Managing 2 or 3 terabytes T is no problem. AM3 is stronger. Handling 10 terabytes T is no problem. 20 T is no problem. Done. You can use AT70 no problem. D2 can handle 10T no problem. So all this stuff is flexible and scalable. For your commonly used stuff, just put the commonly used stuff on 2 or 3T. If you need a stronger functionality, then buy other products. It can achieve that too. Soundaware. All products support Roon server. Roon Ready, Roon Player, all supported. If you want to use iPad control, okay? Just set the AAMC to automatically start Roon server. You don't need to connect to anything else. Just operate directly. Everything is done in the app. Just install Roon remote. That's Roon's client software. Therefore, I recommend to everyone. You see, all our shows are like this. All using Roon. That's the reason. The experience is really too good. I highly recommend everyone. There are free workarounds. There are paid methods. Roon can be used either way. Alright, thank you everyone.